In this lecture, we will learn how to give dimensions to the sketch using constraint command. First, draw a rectangle. Now select constraint command, select this line, left click. Now select this line to give dimension. Now draw another rectangle, but this time draw from the origin. Give constraint to this sketch. Now you can notice that this sketch is white in color, but this sketch is of green color. This means the sketch which is in white color is not fully defined. It can be moved anywhere. Where green color indicates that the sketch is fully defined, it is fixed. Therefore, always remember that if you are drawing any sketch, make sure you start sketching from the origin and your sketch must be green. There should be nothing in white color. Delete this sketch. Now we will define this sketch. For that you need to coincident this point to the origin. Select this point. Now press and hold Ctrl key from keyboard and select the origin point. Go to constraint, define in dialog box command and select it. These are the different constraint definition, but we want to give coincident definition. So select coincident option. Now you can see that both the points got incident to each other and hence our sketch is fully defined because it is coincident to the origin. Now let's see how to give constraint to different type of sketches. First, draw a elongated hole. Select this dimension and drag it outside. Right now you can see that our sketch is in white color, which means it is not defined. So let's give some constraint to define this sketch. Select this line to give length. So you can see that now our sketch is fully green, which means it is fully defined. Now delete this sketch and draw a cylindrical elongated hole. Adjust this dimension. Now give some constraint to define this sketch. Select this arc to give radius. Now select this point and this horizontal line to give distance between them. Now select this point and horizontal line to give distance between them. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Let's edit its dimension. Give 5 mm. Also give 5 mm to this side. Now delete this sketch. This time draw some random sketch. Now we will see another option in constraint, that is auto constraint. First select the sketch and click OK. Now you can see that it automatically give the dimension to the whole sketch. Place this angle. So this was the auto constraint command in Catia.